ready to give your Windows 11 desktop a fresh, modern look. Let's dive into making your taskbar transparent. First, let's check the default appearance. See this taskbar. It's solid and a bit Euro blau. We can change that. There are a few ways to achieve transparency. Let's start with the easiest, using settings available in the Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store and search for Translucent. Find the app and click Get or Install. It's free. Once downloaded, open the application. Now, the moment you open the app, you'll probably notice your taskbar is already more transparent. Translucent offers various modes: clear, acrylic, blur, and more, all customizable to your liking. In Translucent, you can adjust these modes to vary your taskbar's look, from nearly invisible to fully transparent. Play around with the settings to see what suits your wallpaper best. What if you don't want to install an app? Click the personalization located in Settings and navigate to Colors under Accent Colors. Turn on the Transparency Effect switch. While this gives a slight transparency effect, it isn't as customizable as Translucent but is very simple. See the difference? You can easily switch back and forth between the modes to see what you think. And there you have it, a beautiful, transparent taskbar in Windows 11. Experiment with the methods and find the perfect look for your desktop. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check out my other Windows 11 tutorials.